several clothing. The lovings. Several clothing. I got a big one. The lovings. Several clothing. Clothing. There's a jack door. Bing bang, there's clothing. There's loading, several clothing. One really said, bing bang, there's clothing. Loading, several clothing. Bing bang, there's clothing. The loading, several clothing. Bing bang, there's clothing. The loading, several clothing. Bing bang, there's clothing. The loading, several clothing. Bing bang, there's clothing.
What's the next station, Max? Federal Center Southwest? What door's opening on which side?
Prison West is opening on the left side.
Door's opening on the left side? What's after Federal Center Southwest?
And Federal Triangle.
Federal Triangle?
Then there's a place.
What about Smithsonian?
Dad lives in E Street. Dad lives in L Street.
Bobby lives on L Street.
And Dad lives in E Street.
Right. Dad and Max and Mommy live on E Street. That's correct.
Bobby lives in L Street.
What station does Bobby live near?
Bobby lives in Nicholson Station. It's in Carroll South Station.
No. Max lives near Capitol South Station.
Dad lives in E Street.
Right. Where does Bobby live near? What station does Bobby live near?
In Capitol South Station.
No.
In near Carroll South Station.
That's where Max lives. Where does Bobby live?
In near South Station.
No. Bobby lives near Metro.
Center.
Right. Metro Center.
Max lives in E Street.
That's right. Max lives on E Street.
Bobby lives in L Street.
Right. Bobby lives on L Street.
And the big one does clothing. Those are clothes. And then this microphone. See the blue doors? See the blue doors?
What train line is that? Which line is that?
The yellow doors.
Yellow doors? They don't look yellow to me.
There's on to me.
Yeah, they're orange doors. What line is it though? Is it
And the blue doors will go on table.
the blue doors are going to go on the table? Okay.